Hello, good afternoon, family. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to part one of the Confessions of an Immigration Attorney. Yes, I have been asked who is an immigration attorney. An immigration attorney is a person who has the license to legally practice and is required to assist refugees, asylum seekers, and foreign nationals to legalize their stay in the country they find themselves. So yes, I am an immigration attorney. What are the confessions that I am so eager to share with all of you? I found myself at the police station some years ago. Wow, looking back, it's been a long time. But guess what? The strangest of things that I noticed was the cold walls. I don't know why, but they were much more colder than some of the rooms that I had ever been into. But of course, well-uniformed officers, and guess who were behind the bars? Mix of male and females. Not all of them were foreign nationals, but yes, I was there to see a foreign national. So this is what happened next. I had to interact with this particular client, and then I got to discover that he was here to seek asylum. I hadn't really prepared myself for the information that was to be received. And so carefully, as I watched his lips move up and down, narrating what exactly my ears were itching to hear, even though I wasn't prepared for that particular kind of information. All through the interaction and the conversation, you may call it a consultation, my mind, my heart were all racing. So what I had to do was to reorient myself. How best could I assist this particular foreign national? Mind you, back then, when most of them were brought to the stations, it took them almost 3 weeks before they would be brought before court. And so in that process, it is up to you, the immigration attorney, to prepare your file and to send your file or your written submissions to the authorities in order to handle that particular client or case. It's really been a long journey coming, and presently where we are, I think progress has been made. Within 24 or 48 hours, a foreign national who is arrested and detained is brought before a judicial officer. Either the judicial officer will allow good cause reasons to be shown why the particular asylum seeker may not have found themselves at the refugee officers in order to submit him or herself and to be heard. In the event that that particular asylum seeker has ever received asylum seeker status, then an inquiry will be made into currently what is the status of that individual. And so this is where we are now. It has been through the hard work of most of my colleagues, judicial officers, police officers, and many, many more. But I will be looking at the confessions that have recently come to bear. And what are these? Refugee status holders who are currently battling to renew their IDs and their passports. The reason I chose this as my confession is because I happen to have been involved with 2 foreign nationals. Currently, one is away studying in one of the Schengen states. The other has found himself somewhere in the Americas. So till I come your way with another part of Confessions of an Immigration Attorney, stay tuned, enjoy, follow, and like all the videos that I put out there. Have a good afternoon.